This step-by-step guide will walk you through how to qualify for the upcoming ZKSync airdrop, which is expected to be one of the largest drops in 2023. By spending just an hour now, you can earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars when the token launches later this year. Airdrops are an excellent way to generate passive income with cryptocurrency, as it usually doesn't require any upfront investment. In fact, airdrops were one of the methods I covered in my video on how to make over $1,000 per month in passive income. If you're unfamiliar with airdrops, I recommend watching this video for a better understanding. I will go through 4 steps. Since ZKSync mainnet has locked, there is better change of getting an airdrop. Step 1. Set up a MetaMask wallet and fund it with some ETH. We will assume you have this step covered. If you don't know how, check out my YouTube channel link provided above for a full guide on how to set up a MetaMask wallet. MetaMask is a browser extension wallet designed for interacting with decentralized applications, dApps, on the Ethereum network. To set up MetaMask, users should download the extension from the official website and create a new wallet or import an existing one by setting a strong password and saving a unique set of seed words to recover the wallet if lost. Once the wallet is created, users can connect it to various dApps and deposit cryptocurrency by following the prompts to send funds from another wallet or exchange. Users should keep their MetaMask wallet secure by not sharing their password or seed words with anyone and enabling two-factor authentication if available. Step 2. Bridge to ZKSync 2.0 mainnet. ZKSync is a Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum that enables fast and low-cost transactions without compromising on security or decentralization. It uses zero-knowledge proofs to batch and compress multiple transactions into a single proof, which is then submitted to the Ethereum network for verification. This results in significantly lower gas fees and faster transaction confirmations. The ZKSync wallet is a user-friendly interface for interacting with the ZKSync network, where users can manage their digital assets, send and receive payments, and participate in various DeFi applications. The wallet also features advanced security measures, such as biometric authentication and multi-sig support, to keep user funds safe. The ZKSync 2.0 mainnet is the older version of ZKSync that has been running live since 2020. Interacting with it now could still qualify you as an early adopter for the ZKSync 2.0 airdrop, which is what we are looking for. Connect your MetaMask to the ZKSync wallet website, then use the official ZKSync bridge to send some Ether from Ethereum mainnet to ZKSync 2.0. Go to https://wallet.zksync.io. Click on Bridge. Current gas fees on zksync.io main bridge is like 0.02 ETH. It is pretty pricey for gas fees. It is like $50 in gas fees. Step 3. Try the top applications on ZKSync 2.0 Era Mainnet. You can find all the live applications on this ZKSync 2.0 mainnet apps list. Trying all of these will give you the best chance to receive the airdrop. However, I would focus on the ones that are the easiest to try and the most established to have high chances of receiving the airdrop. My top picks are Orbiter Bridge, Onchain.trade, MES Protocol, app.mute.io/swap, DEX on ZKSync Era Mainnet Sync Swap, DEX on ZKSync Era Mainnet Trustless.fi, Trustless Stablecoin Mint Square, NFT Portal Cretorland, NFT Portal. Next, my first pick is using Orbiter Bridge to bridge Arbitrum ETH to ZK Era Mainnet tokens. Orbiter Bridge is a cross-chain bridge that enables users to transfer assets between different blockchain networks, such as ZKSync, Ethereum, and Polygon. It is built on the Polygon network and is designed to provide fast, secure, and low-cost cross-chain transactions. With Orbiter Bridge, users can swap tokens between networks and take advantage of the unique features and opportunities offered by each blockchain. The platform is user-friendly and allows for easy integration with other decentralized applications, dApps. Overall, Orbiter Bridge aims to facilitate interoperability between blockchain networks, making it easier for users to access a wider range of assets and applications. Go to https://www.orbiter.finance/. Connect my MetaMask wallet. Switch the Arbitrum 1 mainnet. I have 0.01 ETH in Arbitrum I wanted to bridge using Orbiter to bridge into ZK Era mainnet. Select Arbitrum as from network. Select to as ZKSync Era from the drop-down. You can follow the same bridge if you have tokens in Polygon, Optimism, Ethereum, Loopring, Immutable X, Starknet, or even ZKSync Lite. Next, I will show you what is Onchain.trade and how to use it. Onchain.trade is a decentralized exchange, DEX, built on the Ethereum blockchain. It allows users to trade various cryptocurrencies in a fast, secure, and low-cost manner without relying on a central authority. Onchain.trade supports a variety of ERC20 tokens, including popular ones such as ETH, USDT, and DAI, among others. The platform leverages the speed and efficiency of the Ethereum network while prioritizing security and transparency. Users can connect their wallets, such as MetaMask or Wallet Connect, to the platform to initiate trades. Onchain.trade provides users with an intuitive interface, which displays real-time pricing and transparent transaction records. Additionally, it features advanced trading tools, including trading charts, order books, and order history. Overall, Onchain.trade aims to provide a seamless and efficient trading experience for users, while also prioritizing security, transparency, and low transaction costs. Onchain.trade is a DEX and liquidity provider pool based on Era Mainnet. Currently TVL is $1.7 million. Primary coins are Ethereum, USDC, OSD, stablecoin, and OT, native on-chain token. I connected my MetaMask wallet. I swapped few tokens between OSD and USDC. Next, I will show you what is Mute.io and how to use it on Era Mainnet. Mute.io is also another DEX and liquidity provider pool based on Era Mainnet. Mute is a decentralized exchange that provides users with a fast, secure, and low-cost way to trade cryptocurrencies. Built on the Ethereum network, Mute leverages the speed and efficiency of Ethereum while prioritizing user privacy and security. Using the platform's interface at app.mute.io/swap, users can swap tokens in a matter of seconds, with real-time pricing and transparent transaction records. Mute supports a variety of ERC20 tokens, including popular ones such as ETH, DAI, and USDT, among others. To initiate trades, users can connect their wallets, such as MetaMask or Wallet Connect, to the platform. In addition to its decentralized exchange, Mute also provides users with a suite of privacy-focused tools, including encrypted messaging and file sharing. Overall, Mute aims to provide users with a secure, private, and user-friendly platform for trading and communication on the blockchain. Go to app.mute.io/swap connect my MetaMask wallet. I have 10 USDC in Era Mainnet I wanted to swap into OSD. Gas fees are a little high in Era Mainnet as of shooting this video. Next, I will show you what is Sync Swap and how to use it on Era Mainnet as the third example. Sync Swap is a decentralized exchange built on the Ethereum network that allows users to trade various cryptocurrencies in a fast, secure, and low-cost manner. Users can swap tokens using the platform's intuitive interface, which provides real-time pricing and transparent transaction records. Sync Swap supports a variety of ERC20 tokens, including popular ones such as ETH, USDT, DAI, and WBTC, among others. The exchange leverages the speed and efficiency of the Ethereum network while prioritizing security and transparency. Users can connect their wallets, such as MetaMask or Wallet Connect, to the platform to initiate trades. Overall, Sync Swap aims to provide a seamless trading experience for users, while also prioritizing security, transparency, and low transaction costs. Go to syncswap.xyz. Connect your MetaMask wallet. Switch to ZKSync Era Mainnet. The swap is little slow to load up on my machine. I was able to swap ETH into USDC. However, I am starting to notice that ZKSync gas fees are in $14 range. Little high for a Ethereum Layer 2 chain. I was expecting under $1 like Arbitrium. My favorite chain is Phantom at 10-cent range. Gas fees are little high in Era Mainnet as of shooting this video. Next, I will show you what is MES Protocol and how to use it on Era Mainnet as the fourth example. MES Protocol is a decentralized trading platform on Ethereum that facilitates low-cost trading of digital assets through various trading pairs, including ETH/USDC. The platform offers a user-friendly interface with advanced trading tools and liquidity incentives for users who provide liquidity. MES Protocol uses a hybrid on-chain and off-chain architecture for fast and efficient trading while prioritizing security, transparency, and low transaction costs. Go to https://app.mesprotocol.com/. Connect your MetaMask wallet. Switch to ZKSync Era Mainnet. It is like a centralized exchange feel with real-time graphs. It supports limit orders just like in a centralized exchange, CEX. I have 10 OSD in Era Mainnet I wanted to swap into USDC. Gas fees are little high in Era Mainnet as of shooting this video. Final step. Step 4. Join the ZKSync Discord and complete the Crew 3 tasks to move in levels up. More tasks you complete per day you move in levels rankings. There are tasks every day. Check up the crew3.xyz link provided below. The ZKSync Discord is here. https://join.zksync.dev. Once you're in, connect your wallet, MetaMask or Coinbase wallet, Discord, and Twitter accounts to the Crew3 dashboard of ZKSync here. https://crew3.xyz/c/zksync. After joining the Crew3 dashboard of ZKSync, you need to link your wallet, Discord, and Twitter accounts. The dashboard offers various tasks to complete, which will help you level up and earn roles in the ZKSync Discord community. The roles you earn are important as they determine the amount of airdrop you will receive. Make sure you use the same wallet that you used to complete the tasks in the previous steps. In summary, I discussed the potential airdrop of ZKSync, a Layer 2 scaling solution built on Ethereum. The ZKSync team has announced that they will be distributing tokens to users who have completed certain tasks, including joining their Discord server, following their Twitter account, and participating in their community. The article highlights that ZKSync is backed by major investors and has a strong team, which suggests that it has potential for future growth. The airdrop provides an opportunity for users to earn free tokens and become early adopters of the project. If ZKSync gains widespread adoption, the value of the tokens could potentially increase, providing early adopters with a significant return on their investment. Overall, the potential ZKSync airdrop is a promising opportunity for users to become early adopters of a promising project and potentially earn significant returns in the future.